So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to extend background in Picsart. So the first thing you want to do is open up Picsart. On here you can see some of the projects and you can add stuff to them, like opening up one of your projects you want to extend background on. At the bottom you will see some tools and features you can add. So let's swipe all the way to the end of that row and you can see the option apps. It will say either apps or more tools. So if it says more tools, that's fine. You can click on that as well. You just need to find this icon of the three squares. Click on that. On here, you will see a bunch of AI apps which will help you in editing your photos. If it's not popping up on here, and you will need to search for AI Extend or something similar to that. If it's not popping up there, you can exit this app tool and go manually to the beginning. So you can see AI tools, which will be right here, and you will need to find the AI expand. So just go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on that and chosen the photo you want to expand, you can see at the bottom original, Instagram story, YouTube, Facebook profile, banner, and so on. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say for Instagram, and you can set it up looking like this. Or for YouTube, and you can see the background looking like this. You can describe how you'd like to fill it. So it really gives you a lot of options on there. And you can just click this pink button that says generate, and it will start with the generation of the photo that you want to add and the way you want to expand your background. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Picsart or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.